What if I told you that saving money doesn't have to feel stressful, restrictive, or confusing? In today's video, I'll show you practical, realistic, and smart ways to save money, even if you feel like your income isn't enough. Whether you're a student, a salary earner, or a small business owner, these strategies will help you build financial stability and reach your goals faster. So grab a notebook. Let's make your money work smarter, not harder. The first step to saving money smartly is awareness. Most people don't save because they don't know where their money goes. You can't control what you don't track. Start by listing your monthly expenses: rent, food, transport, subscriptions, impulse spending, data, internet, random transfers. Use apps like Mint, YNAB, PocketGuard, or even a simple Google Sheet. When you track your spending, two things happen. 1, you stop wasting money unconsciously. 2, you immediately identify areas to cut back. This is one of the smartest budgeting formulas in the world. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings, investing. Even if your income is low, work towards saving something: $5, $10, $20, $50. Consistency beats amount. If 20% looks impossible, start with 5%, then move up slowly. The goal is progress, not perfection. This is the golden rule of smart saving. The moment you receive your salary or business income, take out your savings first, before you spend a single dollar. Treat savings like a bill you owe yourself. Set up automatic transfers. That way, you save without thinking. What remains is what you spend, not the other way around. Ask yourself, are you paying for subscriptions you don't use? Are you buying data multiple times a week? Are you paying unnecessary bank charges? Are you spending on impulse because of ads? Smart saving means identifying and eliminating money leaks. Just canceling 2 unnecessary subscriptions can save you $20 to $40 every month. That's $240 to $480 yearly. Free money. Before buying anything you didn't plan for, wait 24 hours. This kills impulse buying instantly. If after 24 hours you still want it and it doesn't affect your savings, buy it.
If not, congratulations, you just saved money. Impulse control is one of the smartest money habits.
Combine these two and your savings will always be easier. Use separate accounts. One account for bills and everyday spending. Another for savings and investments. Preferably a fixed saver or account without easy withdrawals. Out of sight equals out of temptation. High-cost habits silently drain money. Eating out too often, buying snacks daily, paying for daily rides instead of planning transport, paying for premium brands when alternatives work same, not planning meals, emotional spending. Smart savers replace expensive habits with affordable but enjoyable alternatives. You don't need to suffer. Just be strategic. Life happens. Unexpected bills, repairs, medical costs. Smart saving includes preparing for these surprises. Target 3 to 6 months of basic expenses. Start small. Even $10 weekly builds up. Your future self will thank you. Saving alone won't make you wealthy. Investing will. Begin with low risk options: high yield savings accounts, treasury bills, money market funds, index funds, mutual funds, robo-investors. The goal is to let your money multiply, not just sit. Saving money smartly isn't about suffering. It's about being organized, intentional, and disciplined. If you follow these steps consistently, you'll start seeing real financial progress, faster than you expect. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this today. See you in the next video.